The LEAP ramp is the fastest commercial ramp we've ever done in our history. We have delivered over 2,000 commercial engines per year and have grown at a 5% growth rate for the last 5 to 10 years. We have two new technologies on the LEAP engine: ceramic matrix composites and additive manufacturing. What's unique about these technologies is we are very vertically integrated. So for CMCs, for example, we do the fiber in a joint venture, we lay it up in tape, we make the parts, we machine the parts, we build it in the engine. We do all of that within our own supply chain. So it's good from the standpoint that with the vertical integration we have a lot of control, and so we know from the very beginning to the very end exactly how to make the product. With the new purchase of our additive companies, we are now into the materials portion of additive, which is very exciting because that's another step forward in vertical integration. We have done a lot of work around LEAP readiness, both in our own shops as well as in our supply base. We've been working on product readiness for about 5 years. We started a long time ago. We look at things like first-time yield. We do what we call run at rate, where we'll take a particular product and we'll run it at the rate that we won't be at for another 12 months. The LEAP ramp represents a huge challenge for us. It's historic, but we are ready.